What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you like classic cars, please hit the subscribe button. You can see all of our new inventory as we get in every week, and you can watch me and Chris go out and chase classic cars. Please subscribe today. We'll see you then. Let's go.
What is up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. Got a very nice fastback for you today. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and the ugly so you know exactly what you get before you get it. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see all of our classic cars in our warehouse, and we also have a lot down the road. We get all new classic cars in pretty much every week, and you can watch me go out and chase classic cars. So please subscribe right now, hit the like button, better yet, subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll see all of our new cars. Well, this is a 1965 Ford Mustang fastback. It's a Restomod. It does have modifications to it, but they're nice. I'm going to go over the whole car for you. Bought this from one of my local clients. He's owned it since 1971. In 2014, 2015, he did the restoration of it and turned it into this beautiful GT350R. True fastback car. It's got a 5.0 302 under the hood, carbureted. It has a T5 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the beautiful wide stance in the rear, just like Eleanor. Got no rust on it, no rot. A real nice build. Beautiful seats. We'll start with the exterior on our full walkthrough. We'll start with the driver's side fender. So driver's side fender's in good shape. It's got this stripe on a GT350R. The paint, as you can see my reflection real good. The paint is clear. There's no waves in the paint at all. It's real nice. Couple little spots over here across the fender. You can see like a little line here, not too bad. A little imperfection in the paint going this way. Little scratch right there. Little scratch right there. The rest of the fender's in good shape. You got these Cobra wheels. Tires are in great shape. Tires are basically new. Top of the fender's in good shape. I don't see any flaws there. Hood sits good on this side. Sits good on that side. And I believe this is a fiberglass hood, but we'll lift it up. Maybe not. This is fiberglass for sure, but the hood, no, the hood's metal. The car has got a great stance to it. Lights, no cracks in them. Front end looks good. It's got these lights down here. Gives it that real nice look. It's beefy. Going over here, this fender, little chip right there. Little chip right there. Fender's in good shape though. Little same thing like the other side. A little flaw right here and a little there. Gap in the doors a little bit more wide down here. Tightens up there. A little wide right there. Closes good. Yeah, it closes really good. Top of the hood's in good shape. Top of the roof's in good shape. I don't see any flaws there. Couple little imperfections here. Couple little chips you can see right here in this little area. This tire's in good shape. It's got that wide stance, which is really nice. You can see these were pulled out, and it's got the wide body. It's not super obvious. You really can't see it unless you get up close to it. You can see that's that wide body, but it looks good. Little flaw right there. Now guys, just to let you know, we offer financing. We finance, got good terms. We work with a local lender, and they can get you approved for this and get you monthly payments. And we also ship all over the US, and we can include that into the financing if that's something you wanted to do. Rear glass is in good shape. No issues there. Going down here, this is all in good shape. Stripes look good. And black cars, they show everything, and this car shows very, very, very well. Look at that. Trunk. Trunk gaps are even on this side. It's a little wide up here, but it's not horrible. You got the snake right there. Little imperfection there, and a little one right there and there. Normally black cars, I'm pulling out everything and showing everything, and this car doesn't have a ton of bad to it. Again, a little of those chips, I guess it's picking up rock chips when you're getting on it, a little bit down at the bottom. And then a little here again. I'm going to say this is the biggest flaw in the car right here. You can see that chip in it. You can see just a little chip here. The car stands very well, and I mean you can it's a mirror shine. Tires in good shape, wheels also in good shape. Door closes good. A couple little chips there and there. For what it is, it's a nice car. This car gets a ton of looks. Underneath, completely solid. And this car sits so low too. This definitely gives me Gone in 60 Seconds vibes. Perfect. All perfect. Undercarriage is perfect. No rust on this car. Let's go look underneath the hood. We'll take a look at the trunk and go on the inside. All right, guys, so this is a 302 5.0. It's got the T5. Most likely out of a 90s Mustang. The rebuild was done about 5,000 miles ago. Power steering. Looks clean under here. I don't see any rot, any rust. I don't see anything. Just nice and clean. Firewall looks all good. Trunk is solid. You got speakers. Nice speakers there. All good. Cool. Take a look on the passenger side. Door insert looks good. Carpets look great. It's got these Tuner FX seats, which they will hug you. Nice and safe. Dash pad looks good. Headliner looks good. rear seat. You got the Sony speakers back there that you could jam to if that's your thing. Also, one thing, it's got these windows here, which is cool. Cool function they did there. Usually don't have the clear windows, but that's pretty cool. These are not glass, just so you know. $5,527 miles. You got aftermarket gauges. No horn on this one. All right, guys, cool thing about this actually removes, you just pull it and pull the back of it and the whole thing comes off, so it's easier to get in and out. It's not real hard to do, which is cool. Got a nice cam. Engine's nice and quiet. Sounds great, looks great. Solid car. Check the turn signals. Bam, that's working. Right turn signal. That's working. Let's see if that horn is not working or is. I don't think it is. Doesn't have a horn. Wipers work. Try the lights. Lights are working. Looks like the gauges are working. The only thing we don't know is about the gas gauge. We've got to put gas in it and see if that's working. And up for sale now, guys, at bobevansclassics.com. Go on our website or give us a call. 215-801-9493. Prices in the description, in the title.
If you like this video, please subscribe. If you want to see the test drive, that's the next video. We're going to go for a test drive. So click that video on the test drive. We'll see you at the next video when we drive it.